Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. No tacos tonight, though. Last night I prepared curry chicken and potatoes. Oh, I actually did make this recipe. This is probably one of the most authentic and yummy Indian recipes I have prepared. Oh, excellent. Just a combination of things. I will definitely get this up in the group for you. Use jasmine rice. You don't have to have rice with this because there's like a double carb thing going there. But definitely try this one. Tonight, it's a wok night. Shanghai Fried Noodles. It's a pork dish. Let's get to it. Like I said, it's a wok night. Here's the champion. We got some pork, kosher salt, black pepper, some oil. I'll probably use about a half of this onion. Garlic, of course. The original recipe calls for some bok choy. I'm actually going to use some of this green cabbage because I have it left over. And you know me, I don't like to waste things in my kitchen. So I'll be, chopping this up. Light soy sauce or regular soy sauce in most terms. A dark soy sauce and oyster sauce with a little bit of sugar. And back to the udon noodles that I discovered at Bel Air. That's it. It's a very simple meal. Yeah. So on this Taco Tuesday, or for me, a wok day, make sure, if you're having tacos, make sure you go to your favorite taqueria and get those yummy tacos. But on this day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.